JURMET is a story of how passion and hard work have resulted in great achievements. The pursuit of what many considered impossible to reach deeply motivated us to reinforce research and go beyond what was already known. Thanks to the stubbornness and belief of many people, we have overcome many obstacles. The results have exceeded expectations.
I'm Robert Kwiatkowski, I'm Technical Director and co-owner of JURMET company.
In our modern factory, we design machines and write software. We also manufacture in-house almost every mechanical piece of our machines using modern solutions. We understand how important a quick and reliable service is in a highly competitive environment. We build machines for our customers. We help them to overcome their challenges and to find market niches. Together, we develop great solutions, unique and custom designs which result in competitive advantages. All this is possible because we are innovatively driven and truly listen to our customers. The success of our customers is our success. This is how it was and how it always will be, no matter how challenging it is and how much effort we have to put in. We stand here for our customers. We build slitters and rewinders which guarantee outstanding results, because good is not good enough. We are JURMET, more than a company.